इस वीडियो को हिंदी भाषा में देखने के लिए सेटिंग्स में जाकर हिंदी ऑडियो चुनें। Namaskar. Welcome to Simplify Your Space. In today's video, I shall share few really helpful kitchen products that were added to my kitchen. Some of these have been used for a while, others are new purchases. If you are thinking about getting new cookware and kitchen tools, this video can give you some ideas. Before we begin, I want to mention that this video is not sponsored. The products shown here suit my requirements. I request you to make purchases only if you genuinely need them. Please avoid any impulse buying. Now let's get started. Let's start with this beautiful 24 cm granite non-stick kadai and sauce pot from the Carrot brand. It has a charming cream colored stone finish and comes with a glass lid. The pot and lid have wood effect bakelite handles that are heat resistant. It is great for cooking food with very little or no oil. I made matar paneer in it without using any oil and it turned out delicious. You won't even notice the absence of oil in your recipes. It is good especially if you are looking to reduce the oil usage. Since it is deep, you can easily prepare biryani or pulao in it. I also tried making carrot halwa and it turned out great. Since the food does not stick to it, food making and cleaning is breeze. It looks so good that you can even use it as a serving dish directly after cooking. When it comes to maintenance, it is like any other non-stick cookware. Always let it cool down before cleaning and use a soft sponge pad with dish liquid for cleaning. Avoid using a scrub pad as it can scratch the surface and damage the non-stick coating. Some people have mentioned in the comment section that it stains easily with turmeric. So to remove these stains, boil some water and dish liquid in the pot and it will help remove the turmeric stains easily. Many of you have inquired about this cute little pressure cooker. This small stainless steel cooker is one of the most versatile products in my kitchen and I have been using it for almost 3 years. If I have to cook in small quantity and rapidly, this is my go-to device. This is a great addition for small families and perfect for making baby food. It is perfect for quickly boiling few potatoes for yummy sandwiches. We can also cook dal rice in small quantities in it. It is easy to use, simple to maintain and dishwasher friendly. Next, I want to talk about Hawkins Pancake and Uttapam Pan. It is designed with 4 sections, perfect for making small pancakes, uttapams or fried eggs. I have tried a few pans like this before, but this one stands out to me. Firstly, it's quite heavy, which helps distribute heat evenly. Unlike lighter pans where food can stick to the bottom, this one prevents that entirely. Its non-stick coating inside is of high quality and the outer ceramic coating is both stain and scratch resistant. I tried making mini uttapams with great results. This pan makes it easy to cook round pancakes and fried eggs for kids. The best part is that it comes with a perfectly fitting glass lid. This lid is super handy for steaming uttapams and eggs, ensuring they cook perfectly. Other pancake pans, especially the square-shaped ones, often don't come with lids, and the round lids we have at home might not fit them well, affecting the cooking process. So having a lid that fits perfectly is a plus for this pan. Overall, I really like this product, but yes, it is a bit pricier than the others. Let's talk about this lovely mint colored knife with a charming pattern printed on it. Its standout feature is its appearance, making it a beautiful addition to any kitchen. It is crafted from stainless steel and features a non-slip handle for a comfortable grip. Plus, it comes with a protective cover, which is a smart addition to keep it safe when not in use. The knife's ergonomic design adds to its usability. The sharpness is like a regular knife. I just thought it was a little different, so I bought it. Overall, if you want to add a little aesthetics to your kitchen, this is a good addition. But otherwise, it is just a regular knife. I needed a new chopping board for daily use as my round one was getting worn out. I got this solid wood chopping board from IKEA and it is just the right size, not too big or too small. It has grooves on the sides that prevent juices from fruits and vegetables from spreading on the countertop. I really like IKEA's chopping boards. They are well designed, practical and made of high quality wood. I had been searching for tea and sugar canisters for my kitchen for a while and couldn't find anything I liked. Finally, I found this canister from Westside that caught my eye. They are adorable grey colored canister with tea and sugar printed on them. Made of tin, they are sturdy and break free, which is a relief. The airtight wooden lids adds a rustic charm to them. I absolutely love having these in my kitchen. I also got a set of hand-printed ceramic containers from the Varesha brand. What I love most about them is their wide mouth, making it easy to access the food items stored inside. They also come with airtight wooden lids, keeping the contents fresh for an extended period. These containers are versatile and can be used to store spices, dry fruits, snacks or pickles. Currently, I am using them to store pickles and they add a beautiful touch to my dining table. Next is this microfiber and rubber dish drying mat which I recently got. It is helpful for placing wash utensils in less quantity next to your sink. Made from anti-slip material, it stays in place securely. The mat absorbs water effectively and helps keep the countertop clean and mess-free. It is also resistant to stains and dries quickly, which is convenient for everyday use. It seemed a little small in size to me. Maybe bigger size is also available in this. A great feature is that when not in use, you can roll it up to save space for storage. I also got these dish drying mats from IKEA a while back and I use them in few of my videos. They come in different colors and are made of fabric, yet they dry very quickly. These mats are great for drying wash utensils. I have tried other brands of drying mats in the past, but these ones from IKEA are definitely my favorite and worth buying. You can also place them under a dish drying basket to absorb water effectively, keeping your countertop clean and dry. I receive many inquiries about my kitchen floor mats. These are from Saral brand. I recently bought another set because I really like them. What's great about these mats is that they come in different sizes and patterns. I use the bigger one under my kitchen hob, which helps keep the working area clean, and the small one with the same pattern and color under the kitchen door. One of the best features is that they are anti-slip and stay in place, reducing the risk of tripping. These mats are made of microfiber material which dries quickly and they are easy to maintain as they can be cleaned in the washing machine. I recently added a beautiful stainless steel thali set to my kitchen. I had purchased stainless steel plates and glasses 12 years ago, but they were of random sizes as I bought them over a period of time just after my marriage. I had been considering updating my kitchen with a thali set that is dishwasher friendly, and this set looks amazing. Although I have special ceramic dinner sets for guests, serving traditional food in thali during festival adds an aesthetic and traditional touch to everything. I purchased this thali set from a local store, and you can find a link to a similar product in the description box. And that's all about today's video. I hope you find this video helpful. Please give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. Subscribe to our channel for more such videos. We'll see you all next week. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.